What if I told you there's a hospital in Germany frozen since the Second World War? Deep in the forest near Berlin sits Belitz Heilstätten, an abandoned hospital complex left exactly as it was after the war. Patient records still line the shelves. Surgical tools rest, untouched, for decades. Some say you can hear whispers echoing through empty corridors at night. Rumor has it, even Hitler was treated here. What else is hidden in Earth's forgotten corners? Follow for more strange wonders you won't believe.